7, taas ang kamay, taas ang kamay, taas ang kamay. 6, 5, ayan, huwag kayong mahiya kay Lala-chan kasi ngayon lang yan lalabas. Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ayan, wala na po kayo magsasali. Ayan, hanapin natin yung mga friends natin. Lala-chan, i-invite mo silang lahat. Kids, raise your hands everyone. Taas ang kamay, dalawang kamay. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, 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 shake ang hands. Ayan, very good. So before we start, I am requesting all the guardians sa labas po muna tayo ng ating event area so we can maximize the space. Alright kids, when I say hi, you will say hello. Hi! Parang mahina Lala siya, no? Isa pa nga, hi! Hello everyone! Once again, good afternoon. We are the event team of Kidzuna Legazpi. My name is Kuya Ron, together with Ate Bal, Ate Dak, and of course, our very own 5 years old pink squirrel. Galing pa ng Japan, Lala-chan! Say hi, Lala-chan! Ayan, Lala-chan sabi nila hi. Alright, sino ang magaling mag-play dito? Lahat naman siguro, no? Kasi nandito tayo sa Kidzuna. Lala-chan, magaling ka ba Lala-chan mag-play? Yes, ano bang gusto mong gawin Lala-chan dito sa Kidzuna? Mag-dance? Sino ang magaling mag-dance dito? Taas ang kamay. Ayan, lahat ba marunong mag-dance? Lala-chan, magda-dance tayo Lala-chan. Okay lang ba yung Lala? Ayan, sasabayan natin si Lala-chan mag-dance. So Lala-chan, meron tayong tutorial. First step Lala is stop and shake your body. Alright, up and down. Alright, and the next is up and down yung hands, left and right. Next, Lala, is roll your hands. Ayan, left and right again. Alright, naintindihan na si Lala-chan? Naintindihan po si Lala-chan? Opo. Alright, kids, get ready everyone. Raise your hands. Dalawang kamay and let's dance our warm-up. Shake, 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 shake.
Stop and giggle.
Down.
Wiggle from the side to the middle.
Up. Very good. Down.
And wriggle, shake it just a little.
And stop. Now let's turn around. Ikot tayo. Ayan, ikot tayong lahat. Up and down. Very good. To the other side.
You can do it with your
Nice one.
You can do it all alone.
Alright, roll your hands.
And a super cool beat. If you wanna
Very good. Alright, last one.
wiggle with me.
Ayun, ang gagaling naman, palapakan naman natin sila. Ang gagaling naman mag-dance. Okay, now please sit down. Sit down tayo. Upo tayong lahat. So our game for today is Tug of War. So, dito natin ang lalaroin syempre sa ating play area. So, ang gagawin lamang natin ay magpupull tayo ng rope. Ayan, dapat malakas ang pag-rope or ang pag-pull natin ng rope. Alright? So, meron tayo ditong cone at meron tayo dito color red na rope. And then may marker na color pink. Ayan, nakita po yung marker? Anong color ng marker? Anong color po? Pink. Very good. So, ang gagawin natin, itataas yung kamay. Ilalagay sa likod. At sasabihin ko, 3, 2, 1, pull! Saka natin ipupull yung ating rope. Alright, sit down lang po tayo. Siyempre, pag nakapunta sa inyong pagrupo, meron kayo 1 point. Ilang points daw po? 1 point. Very good. At siyempre, kailangan natin maka 2 points para manalo tayo. Alright, naintindihan po natin? Opo, alright. Ano po yun, Lala? Ano po? Okay, for our safety reminders, no pushing. No pushing. And then no jumping. Ayan, wala po tatalon. And lastly, just enjoy the game. Manalo matalo, lahat po tayo ay panalo dito sa Kidzuna. Alright, naintindihan po natin? Opo, alright, now please stand up and make 2 lines. Arms forward in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Ayun, Lala. Ipunin natin. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, Team A. Dito tayo sa Team A, Lala Chan. Team A. Taas ang kamay, Team A. Taas nga po ang kamay, Team A. Ayan, nandyan ang Team A natin, Lala Chan. Taas ang kamay ng Team B. Very good. Sabihin nga natin, Team B. Go, Team B! Go, Team B! Ayan, lakasan natin. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Go Team B! Go Team B!
Ayan, very good. Sinong magaling mag-shout dito? Dapat mapantayan natin sila. Sabihin natin, go, Team A! Go, Team A! Ayan, in 3, 2, 1, go!
Go Team A! Go Team A!
Very good. Ayan, malakas ang Team A natin. So now, let's proceed to the ball area. Insundan natin si Ate Bal at si Ate Da. Ayan, i-shout naman natin yung ating mga group. Team A, Team B. Ayan. Slowly lang po, slowly. Excuse po, makikiraan po si Lala Chan. Alright. Ayan, makikiraan po. Ayan, Lala Chan, dahan-dahan lang. Team A, dito kayo, Team A. Doon po tayo. Alright? Team B, dito naman tayo sa kabila. Diba? Ayan, Team B. Dito ang Team B natin. Okay, raise your hands. Taas ang kamay. Taas naman ang kamay, Team A and Team B. Alright, very good. Nasaan yung mga guardians ng Team A? Taas naman po ang kamay ng mga guardians. May guardian po ba ang Team A natin? Ayan, meron isa. Nandun isa. Naging isang guardian ng Team A. Nasa na po yung ating mga clappers. Alright. Ayun, nasa naman po ang parents ng Team B. Taas po ang kamay. Meron isa. Dalawa. Dalawa ayun. Sa dulo meron. Nasa yung mga pag-cheer natin. Okay. Ayan. Team A, taas ang kamay. Touch your head. Touch your head, everyone. Touch your head. Dalawang kamay. Release the rope. Alright? Kabila naman. Team B, taas ang kamay. Very good. Team A, are you ready? Ah, yes. Lakasan daw, sabi nila yun siya. Team A, are you ready? Ay, hindi pa ready. Nasaan kayo mga guardian ng Team A natin? Ayan, Team A, ulitin natin. Are you ready, Team A? Yes, ready na ang Team A. Team B, are you ready? Yes! Alright, let's start round 1. In 3, 2, 1, go! Go, go, go! Ayan, nalakas na Team B, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Alright, take your hands, everyone. Ayan, hands up. Ang nanalo sa round 1 ay Team B. Congratulations, you get 1 point. Ayan, baba ulit natin yung rope. Baba natin. Ayan, ready na ba ang Team A for round 2? Ayan, bitawan muna natin. Lala Chan. Ready ka na ba, Lala Chan? Yes, ready na si Lala Chan. Team B, are you ready? Yes! Pati parents, ready na ang Team B. Dito kayo sa Team A natin. Team A, are you ready? Very good. Ayun, sumasagot na. Let's start! Round 2 in 3, 2, 1, go! Go, 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 go! Ayan, very good. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Yay! Congratulations! Ang nanalo sa round 2 natin ay Team A! Yay! You got 1 point! Ayan, parehas na may 1 point. So, let's now have the tiebreaker. Lala Chan, ready ka na ba, Lala Chan, sa ating last round? Ayan, Team B, are you ready? Yes! Team A, are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! Go, 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 go! 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Ayan, very good. Ang nanalo sa game natin, ang Team B. Congratulations, Team B. Kayo ang nanalo. So, kayo ay makakatanggap na gift kay Lala Chan. Pero syempre, ang ating Team A kasi lahat tayo din sa Kidzo na ay panalo. Team A, now raise your hands. Team A. Ayan, nasa na ang Team A natin? Ate Dan, nasa na ang Team A? Team A, let's give Team B 5 claps and let's say very good after the clap natin. Alright, in 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Alright, lalasan sa kabila naman tayo. Ayan, dito tayo Team B. Ayan, the winning team. Magbibigay tayo na 3 claps para sa ating team. Kaya sasabihin natin, good job kasi ginawa nila ang kanilang best. Alright, sabay-sabay tayo in 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3. Good job! Alright, lalasan dito tayo sa ating event area. Babalik po tayo lahat para sa isang surprise na inaabangan ng lahat. Okay, nasa ng Team A and Team B? Kapalin lang tayo. Ayan, nag-enjoy si Lalasan sa ating game. The question is, nag-enjoy din kaya ang ating mga kids? Okay, Team A. Where is Team A? Team A, raise your hands. Taas ang kamay. Team B, raise your hands. Lala-chan, dito ka na Lala-chan sa gitna. Okay, get ready everyone for our final dance. Love is a treasure. Ayan, favorite dance ni Lala-chan. Okay, slowly up. And slowly down. Get ready to jump. 3, 2, 1, jump, 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 jump. Very good. Okay, sound, sound. Oh, Lala-chan, one more Lala. Yes, ayan, isa pa daw Lala kasi nag-brand out. Nag-brand out Lala? May isa pa, ulitin natin. Ayan, alam na nila. Slowly up and slowly down. Get ready to jump. Jump, jump, jump. Very good. Alright. Sound, sound, and mark, mark, mark. Nice one. Okay, sound, sound. Okay, get ready to shake your hands in 3, 2, 1.
Sparkling bright sky, the sun is so bright.
Wait.
To
the other side. Pat your shoulders. Touch your head. And jump, jump. Good and wave, wave, wave. Straight up.
Your dreams with your hands in the sky.
Twist.
Be brave, you can do it.
Alright, very good. And march, march, march.
Be happy
And let's
and
jump.
let's jump.
Good and wave, wave, wave. Smushy.
And if you ever feel so
Now
right,
point.
my friend,
To the other side.
I'm always here to
Very
cheer
good.
you up.
Bend your wrist. Touch your heart. And turn around. And jump, jump, jump. Very good. Down, down, and march, march, march. Alright. Down, down. Okay, side to side. Ayan, very good kids. Now please sit down. Sit down tayo. Okay. Lala-chan, nandiyan na ang gift mo para sa kanila, no? So let's open it, Lala. I-open na ba natin? Ayan, sit down muna tayo. Ayan, let's open the box. Let's say 3, 2, 1, open! Okay, sabay-sabay tayo. Okay? 3, 2, 1, open! Ayan, ang giveaway sa inyo ni Lala-chan. Okay, isa-isa lang ang pagkuha ng ating mga balloons. Alright, Lala-chan, dyan ka na Lala-chan sa likod. And then, pag nakakuha na, sit down tayo dito katabi ni Lala Chan. Okay, magkakaroon tayo ng group picture taking. Ayan, sit down po tayo. Itaas ang balloons, itaas ang balloons. Ayan, itaas po ang balloons. Ayan, pag sinabi kong Kizuna, sisigaw kayo na hooray! At i-wave yung balloons. Okay, ano po ang isisigaw? Hooray! Ayan, let's practice. Kizuna! Ayan, gusto ko mas malakas pa. Alright, mga parents, sa gitna po tayo para mas maganda po ang kuha po natin ng photo. Kids, ano ang isisigaw? Hooray! Okay, in 3, 2, 1, Kizuna! Ayan, gusto ko malakas na malakas. Kizuna! Hooray! Alright, smile po sa mga camera nila Mami and Daddy. Lala Chan, come here, Lala. Ayan, Lala Chan, dito ka na, Lala. Sit down po tayo muna. Ayan, Lala, ano ang gusto mong sabihin sa kanila? Ayan, nag-enjoy daw ba kayo? Yes, kasi si Lala Chan nag-enjoy din. Sino ang gustong mag-birthday? Kasama si Lala Chan. Taas ang kamay. Ayan, nakita naman natin mga parents and guardians. That's why, ini-invite po namin kayo na magpabook na dito sa Kizuna ng birthday party. For more information, magipag-usap lamang po sa ating mga friendly staff. Okay, kids? For now, meron si Lala Chan pupuntahan na birthday party. So now, let's say bye, Lala Chan! Bye, Lala Chan. See you again, everyone, tomorrow at 3:15. Ayan, mga gusto magpa-picture po sa trampoline area na lang po tayo. Thank you so much po.